One day you wake up and realize your ambition has become to design a better world. And from that point forward, you see your life's work in a whole new way. You create, you conceptualize, you fashion, you form. You give shape, space, and ideas a life of their own. You design, model, and visualize. And with the cloud, you simulate. You use automation to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. You communicate, analyze, and share, and you collaborate with others, engineers, architects, designers, and builders, working together in the cloud. You optimize, plan, and fabricate, and then you build. You build the world that you imagine. You realize all of this in Revit.
BIM. You've probably heard about it. And you may know that today's architects, engineers, construction professionals, and owners are using BIM from small or seemingly simple projects, like a building or roadway, to complex, multidisciplinary projects, like a major urban development, and everything in between. But what is it? What is BIM? BIM, Building Information Modeling, at its core, is a holistic process for creating and managing project data within an intelligent 3D model. From plan and design to build and operate, it's much more than a single tool or technology. It's the foundation for digital transformation in the architecture, engineering, and construction industry. With BIM, project teams can collaborate in a shared cloud-based environment. BIM allows teams to create a dynamic 3D model of all the data associated with the project, capturing all physical and functional characteristics and relationships for buildings and infrastructure. Everyone on the team can access all essential data in real time to collaborate more easily, to use simulation and analysis, and convey design intent to improve designs, quality, and client satisfaction. And with today's critical need for sustainable construction practices and eco-friendly structures, teams can efficiently explore a wide range of options and develop innovative strategies to deliver comfort, performance, and energy savings. BIM enables close collaboration across design and construction teams, which can help reduce errors and rework and help teams achieve improved timelines, cost savings, and better project outcomes. Innovators like you are shaping new possibilities, moving ideas and designs from 2D to 3D and into the cloud, collaborating smarter to create solutions that the world needs today and tomorrow. And that is the power of BIM.
AEC, Architecture, Engineering, and Construction. It's a highly fragmented industry with low trust between the various parties. Everyone acknowledges that the ecosystem is broken in some way. They're looking for technology to modify how these processes actually flow.
One of the challenges in the industry has historically been everyone has their own version of the project. There can be thousands of stakeholders, hundreds and hundreds of different companies working on a project, and everyone has their own kind of private copy of the data. And there's so much value in that data. By centralizing data in the cloud and by making it more granular, everyone can now have access to that central model. A lot more context and information will flow to the front of the process where better decisions can be made that impact people who are using these assets for, generations. And that's going to happen for us in transportation, in buildings, and in water. If I think about the size size of the AEC industry, all the things that need to be built, all the things that have been built and need to be improved, the impact that we can have with our software through our customers is just massive. We're doing it with our investments in our new cloud platforms and our Autodesk Platform Services. In the future, I envision our customers working in these highly productive, highly creative environments and able to deliver projects that are just making a better world.
We are going to create tremendous breadth and depth in an industry that needs to be able to design and make things differently.
We at 𝗙𝗏𝗠 Jackson aim to use architecture to amplify quality of life. We find projects that have significant impacts to a broad community very fulfilling. We enjoy engaging the community, and I think what separates us is that collaborative approach.
The buildings that we design have a tremendous impact on the environment, and it's part of our standard of care to design places and spaces that are healthy and safe for building occupants, but acknowledging that all the decisions that we make have impact on more than just the people using that building or interacting with that building, but have this ripple effect.
As a design firm, we have a variety of projects, and we have a variety of teams with these different studios across the country. A lot of times, the best team isn't all in one studio for a specific project, and technology helps us actually collaborate and put together the best teams possible, and Autodesk is a big part of that.
We at BCJ have used Autodesk for 15 years now, and it's a great tool, particularly in this project, the Green Hill School, because it was during the pandemic, so it was designed fully remotely.
The Green Hill campus is these low-slung brick buildings with these gorgeous live oak trees kind of throughout the campus, providing shade. 𝗕𝗏𝗄 Pro was used very early in the schematic design phase to understand the site conditions. One of the constraints on a prominent corner of our specific building was an existing 100-plus-year-old tree.
Because we're spread across the country, a lot of times some of our participants on the project don't even get to visit the site. So when we scan it in with the point cloud data and put it in 𝗕𝗏𝗄 Pro and put it in Revit, they can move around the site virtually and at least understand what it's like to be there, know all the dimensions, know what things look like. It's really replacing walking around with a clipboard and a tape measure. So you might only mark down like 20 dimensions for a space, but the point cloud has millions of points. When you make your design moves, you can be confident that it's not some little thing that's going to show up there and cause an issue.
We had our Revit model hosted on BIM Collaborate Pro, and our consulting engineers, structural and MEP, were uploading their models on a regular cadence so that we could really try to minimize the visual impact and structural impact of the MEP systems.
I don't think we could have done this project without BIM Collaborate Pro. All our engineers, designers, beyond the architect team can be in the same file, and later on, as we start documenting the project, Revit and 𝗕𝗏𝗄 Pro helps us gain a level of detail that we just didn't know was possible even a few years ago.